Good morning, KASM listeners. My name is Renee Thell, and I am the Accounting Specialist for Stearns Conservation District. Today I have some upcoming events to tell you about, so get your pen and paper ready. Hopefully you can make it to some of these great events. The first one I'd like to tell you about is the Central Minnesota Farm Show. We will be having a booth with Benton Soil and Water. The date of the farm show is February 24th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., and February 25th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The location of the farm show is at the St. Cloud's River's Edge Convention Center in St. Cloud. At our booth, we will have some information about the different programs we offer and how we can be assistance with implementing conservation practices. We will also have examples of some cover crops in addition to some cover crop seed available for you to make your own mix to take with you to try on your farm. The next event I'd like to tell you about is the Women in Ag Conference. That is on February 3rd, and it's going to be at the Park Event Center in Waite Park starting at 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The theme this year is Building Your Business, Starting Strong, Scaling Smart, and Succeeding. The conference will provide educational opportunities that will enhance women leadership, management, and production skills in agriculture. And the last event I'd like to tell you about today is the Shoreland Workshop. That is on February 5th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in St. Joe. The cost to attend this event is $35 per person if registered by January 26th, and then it's $70 after the 26th. So if you have any questions on any events I spoke about today, give us a call at our office. Thank you for listening today. This has been your weekly conservation report. Again, my name is Renee Thell. Take care and have a great weekend.